This app is trash. No, we can't do anything without paying. That's absolutely not true. Not so impressed. Useless. Where were you 2 years ago, love? And I respond with a winky face. I think I love you. Hard eyes emoji. This app does not discriminate. Big beams, small beams, brown beams, white beams, beams that curve slightly to the left. What the hell is the use of the free version? Malissimo. I'm sorry you thought so. Shockingly bad. Shockingly bad. It's not just bad, it's shockingly bad. Hey guys, so I recently revived an old Android application that I had developed about 10 years ago, and I hadn't pushed an update since in about 10 years. And Google Play eventually removed my app. It seems like it was almost a year ago. I haven't really been paying too much attention, but I decided to, kind of get it back up to date, targeting the latest version and pushing it back out. And it's fun to see it, go back live. But one of the things I wanted to show you is just, if you've never really pushed out an application to the public and never seen, some of the reviews or responses, it's a funny experience to see what people actually say about your app. It obviously is good feedback. You get positive feedback, you get negative feedback. And, depending on if you release a free version or a paid version, your audience is obviously going to be a little bit different. Free version, you're probably going to have some people download it who may not really be the target audience for the app, whereas the pro version probably is going to be your target audience. The people that are paying for it probably know what they're getting themselves into. So without further ado, I want to give you just a quick little intro into the app, just kind of see what the utilization is like. And then let's see what people have said about it over the years, okay? Let's go to the Play Store. So the app performs beam analysis. It's aptly named Easy Beam Analysis. So we have 100K downloads, 4.2 stars out of 446 reviews. This is for the free version. And keep in mind, free version, it did contain some ads. So when you did a calculation, it would show you an ad. And it did show some of the features that were available in the pro version. And they, pretty clearly stated what those features were. Now, I did just release the pro version as the free version. So we'll see if that makes people happy. Okay, so let's open up the app. And we have two different modes here. If you're not really familiar with engineering, don't worry about it too much. We have a determinate beam and an indeterminate beam. We're going to use the determinate beam. And we have a fixed reaction here. I can come in and delete this if I want to make a, pinned reaction and x equals 0, and then maybe a roller. And, we have this at 10 meters. And then let's go ahead and just add a distributed load from 0 to 10 meters, and we'll do 10 newtons per meter. Okay, so we have solve reactions and we have shear moment diagram. Let's go ahead and solve those reactions. We can see, what the reactions are. 50-50, not surprising there. And let's look at the shear moment diagram. And we have our shear moment diagram. That's basically how you use this application. Normally you do this by hand for students. Nice little calculator. So let's hop over to the reviews. So I'm mainly interested in the 1-star reviews, right? These are the most interesting. So let's check this out. Useless app. Entering basic info is a nightmare. Entering basic info is a nightmare. Okay, let's just enter in a point load. So, you want to know why people are saying this, obviously. Just enter in a new point load. Let's do our shear moment diagram. See, we have a little change of shear there. And I don't know, nightmare. This app is trash. Once you key in the data, it will bring you to another paid app. Waste of time. Now that's not really true. If you use the pro tools, which were stress analysis and slope and deflection, or generate report, those were clearly marked as pro. So I don't really know what she's talking about, but app is trash. Man, that's pretty harsh. I mean, you got to realize that there's someone on the other end of this, right? There's a developer. I'm just myself. I can't write reaction and load doesn't show on the diagram. Maybe they were experiencing a bug. Don't really know. No, we can't do anything without paying. That's absolutely not true. So I actually responded, you can do a lot without paying. All right, so we get some 5-star reviews in there. 1-star Rumi, okay. Virtually impossible to enter simple loads and reactions. No obvious way to delete reactions. No obvious way to delete reactions, except we have these little trash can icons. Oop, 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 oop. I mean, I don't know. It seems pretty obvious. It seems pretty obvious. Okay. Not so impressed. This person was not so impressed. It doesn't work. Okay. Maybe there was a bug. Maybe there was a bug. You do get bug reports on the developer console, so good to kind of see this. This app's been out there for a long time. It's been pretty stable. Useless. Maybe this isn't even an engineer. Maybe this is like someone who just thought it was something else. Where's the trapezoidal loads on the custom beam? Ooh. So, okay. That's a fair criticism, because on the continuous beam here, you can do, so this is a little bit different than the simply supported beam for you engineers out there. In conditions, we're going to do pinned, and then span lengths. We'll just make these all the same and set that to 5. Okay, so distributed loads. Make all the loads the same. Let's just do that. But that's right. You cannot have the triangular loads on the trapezoidal loads on the custom beam. Still 2 stars. 2 stars for that one feature. This app is only for advertisement. It's just not true. It's not true. Doesn't work. Hey, 4 stars, easy and flexible. I like that. How to add UVL in indeterminate beams. So, okay, I think that's the same criticism there. Only 3 stars. I just think the memorials for calculating the displacements and stiffness matrix were missing. Other than that, very good app. Well, thank you. Let's see here. We got a lot of good 5-star reviews. Very happy people out there. Where were you 2 years ago, love? And I respond with a winky face. It's a happy customer right there. Doesn't even offer triangular load. I said it does offer triangular load. Maybe they were talking about the continuous beam because it isn't there. But they're probably talking about the simply supported beam. And Maybe you just didn't realize. I think I love you. Hard eyes emoji. See, this is the fun part about replying to ratings here. Great, I've been using for a year now, though some bean cases are not accommodated. We're seeing add few functions for internal hinges. Yeah, okay. Pretty good. Got a lot of 5-star reviews, a little earlier on. It shouldn't be free. Any analysis request opens a window for you to purchase the paid version. So I don't know if this was just confusion, because it clearly said on those certain features, paid version only. If you clicked on it, it took you to the paid version. So that was supposed to try to be helpful to kind of get you to the feature. I understand a lot of people don't want to spend that $3. What else do we see? How do I get the results? It asked me to buy another version. So again, that's the same good app, but most of the utilities are blocked for the pro version. It's hard to kind of balance what you should show. You want them to know what's in the pro version so that people will want to get it. This app does not discriminate. Big beams, small beams, brown beams, white beams, beams that curve slightly to the left. You can analyze them all. I probably shouldn't have read that one. Outputs are accurate, worth an upgrade to Pro. There we go. You can do any beam. Yes, that is true. Sometimes, a party wants to troll the people with the 1-star reviews, but at the same time, you want to provide good, customer feedback. Not good. This is a PDF. Not good. This is a PDF, not app. So they may have been confused about the pro version supporting the PDF reports. I'll just show that to you right now. So let's head back to that beam that we created before. Share moment. Oh, okay, I got the read app. Okay, so we got a share moment diagram. Let's see if I can just create this report without doing the other things. So, project. Okay, and check that out. We got a report here. Nice little PDF, professional looking report. Says who did the calculation. Got your shear moment diagram. That's what that looks like. Play for free. Useless, cannot use in checking fix end moments. It's not true. It's not true. If it's full free, I will give you 5 stars. When I ask for a command, it opens an app advertisement. There were some advertisements. I don't feel like there were a lot, but it was there. Help me solve reaction, 1 star. Yep. You gotta hit the solve reactions button. Love it. Very good. 3 stars. 3 stars, very good. Well, what the hell is the use of the free version? He can't even calculate it once. Nothing, it's not showing any result or steps. I did say please watch the tutorial. So on the Google Play Store, there's a video, basically a tutorial. Computer results is wrong. Malissimo. I'm sorry you thought so. That's too bad. It cannot be used as it has obstacles to process. If it requires money to use, make it clear. In one place it says free, and in another it presents a value. So again, this was more common back in the day to have a free version and a pro version, right? Pro version has all the features. Not much use if you can't see if it works. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? That's what I said back then. Very good application, and just like it in Spanish. A lot for engineers. All right, we got some good 5-star reviews here, right? It's good, especially for the structural analysis course. I just wish it supported the Persian language, and support the Persian language is a very good app. Okay, just needed to support the Persian language, but I got 5 stars. Shockingly bad. Shockingly bad. It's not just bad, it's shockingly bad. And I like how I said, thanks for your review. You have to wonder if you're giving a 1-star review and you feel like it's shockingly bad and there's other 5-star reviews, you think you're missing something? I would think you're missing something, right? After Love installed, whenever I try to start a new Beam, the app crashes. Yeah, so this is on the early days. This is when it was released, 2014. 2014. So, just that's a little bit of insight into, looking at the reviews for an app. I am excited to put this one back out there. I haven't really thought about it that much, so that's why I just released the full version back into the free version. So hopefully we see this kind of go back onto the Play Store. I would like to, create more engineering applications. So we'll see. Well, hopefully you like this video. In the future, I'm going to be making more videos on actually developing applications. So if you thought this was interesting and you want to, see how to develop applications or, learn with me, stick around and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.